Meaning of Ice Age.
Ice Age.
Ice Age.
Ice Age.
Ice Age. An ice age is a long period of time, lasting millions of years, during which the global climate cools and glaciers advance. These periods are marked by lower temperatures and sea levels, as more water is frozen in the ice caps. The last ice age ended about 11,700 years ago, and there have been several throughout Earth's history. Evidence of ice ages can be found in the geological record and in human artifacts, such as cave paintings. These periods of extreme cold had significant impacts on the planet's ecosystems and human societies.